Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change date and time in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on General Management. Now click on date and time. Here, just turn off automatic date and time so that you can set date and time manually. And now click on set date, and here you can change the date. Okay, if you want to change to desired date, or if you want to change the particular date, just you can do it. If any date is incorrect, just you can correct it here. And here just I change to 26 October and click on done. Okay, date is changed. In similar way, you can adjust the time. Click on set time, and if time is to be corrected, just here select and change and click on done. Yes, date and time have been changed. But see the date and time here. It is in 24-hour format. If you want to use in 12-hour format, yes, you can do it. Just go to the settings again and click on general management and click on date and time, and just turn off use 24-hour format, and 12-hour format will be followed. Okay, see here, this is 12-hour format. Okay, so if you want to use only 12-hour format, you go to turn off use 24-hour format. Otherwise, by default, it will be in effect. That is railway timing will be effect. Okay, if you want to have date and time updated automatically, just keep on this automatic date and time turned on, and date and time will be updated automatically. If you want, if automatic date and time displays wrong, then only you can turn off this, and you can adjust that will be better. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.